Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound these simple words that begin with letter C together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to quickly open up the slashes, and that's what I'm doing right now. Don't forget, transcribing words can help to improve your memory. So endeavor to practice. Car, clock, clean, can, cloud, come, close, cat, cake, code, cow, king. Yeah, that's it. Let me close them up so we can sound them together. All right, let's go. Car, clock, clean, can, clap, come, close, cat, cake, code, cow, cane, car, clock, clean, can, clap, come, close, cat, cake, code, cow, cane. I'll go over it just once more. Car, clock, clean, can, clap, come, close, cat, cake, code, cow, cane. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.